Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Xero accounting access and revoke tokens, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Xero accounting access, start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the settings section. From the settings drop-down, select My Apps. You'll see a list of applications connected to your Xero account. Locate the app for which you want to revoke access. Click on the Remove Access button next to the app. A confirmation prompt will appear on the screen. Confirm that you want to remove access by clicking Yes. After the access has been removed, head back to the Settings menu. Next, select the Users option. In the Users section, review the list of associated users. Identify the user whose access you wish to revoke. Click on the user's name to view their details. At the bottom of the User Details page, find the option to revoke access. Click on the Revoke Access button. Confirm the action when prompted to finalize the revocation. You should also consider revoking any OAuth tokens linked to the app. To do this, go to the Xero Developer Portal. Log in with your Xero account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Apps section. Identify the application whose tokens you want to revoke. Select the app to view its details. Find the section for managing access tokens. Click on the Revoke button next to each token you wish to revoke. Confirm the revocation when prompted to ensure the tokens are removed. Finally, check your integrations to ensure the app is no longer connected. You have successfully uninstalled Xero accounting access and revoked tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.